Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar for you and it is the Body Shop. It's the £59 advent calendar of change. There's 3 advent calendars. This is the cheapest one, and then you've got the advent calendar of wonders, which is £95, and then you've got the advent calendar of wishes and wonders, and that is £145. I bought this advent calendar myself, but I do have an affiliate code with the Body Shop, and that will entitle you to receive 20% off any of their advent calendars, plus a lot of the products off their main website as well. I'll pop a link to the calendars down below in my description, as well as my codes. If you want to take a look, then you're welcome to do so. Plus you'll see my other discount codes and offers for other websites, so it's all listed down there. Last year I unboxed the advent calendar of wishes and wonders, the one that is available this year for £145. The reason it's exactly the same calendar was apparently they mentioned on Instagram they had extra stock. They decided to release it again this year. If you're interested in seeing what the Body Shop £145 advent calendar is like, and you fancy seeing an unboxing, then I'll pop a link to my video from last year down below in my description. So yeah, so going back to this then, it's a 24-day advent calendar and I can't wait to unbox it. I do love the Body Shop. I'm obsessed with the smells. The design of these advent calendars are beautiful. It's so pretty. And that's what they all look like there. So starting off then with day number 1. Our community fair trade mango seed oil is sourced from Chhattisgarh, India. Local women's cooperatives are trained in harvesting methods to skillfully handpick and crack the fruit, ensuring the maximum amount of powerful oil is extracted. It's a hand balm. The Body Shop do the most amazing hand balms and they just smell gorgeous. Yeah, they're just beautiful. If you suffer really badly with dry hands, their hemp range is amazing. Their hand balm is just so nice. So nice. And I've actually bought it for a few members of the family as well. I could just smell it. It's so lovely. Mango. It smells exactly as it says. Yeah, this is for dry skin, 96-hour nourishing moisture. Oh, if only you could smell what I'm smelling. So we've got a hand balm. Day number 2. Your shower cream is enriched with avocado oil from South Africa. Our supplier is committed to using sustainable agricultural practices to help support ecosystems and replant avocado trees. So we've got a shower cream for dry skin, green and creamy, 60 mils. I've tried this and the shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, it's really nice. The smell is, you know, it's not nothing special. This one leaves my skin feeling really nice and soft. There's no smell from what I remember, not really. No. It's just like a nice fresh smell. Yeah, I just took one of these with me to Mykonos a couple of weeks ago. Day number 3, our community fair trade tea tree oil is sustainably sourced in Kenya. We partner with a number of independent farmers who steam distill the leaves within 12 hours of harvest to ensure we're bottling our purest and most potent oil for you. Oh, this is new. I haven't tried this one. This is tea tree skin clearing toner, suitable for blemished skin, and there's 60 mils there. Oh, I'm coming out with loads of spots at the moment. Oh, I'm going to be filming a nighttime skincare routine after this. So all this makeup is going to come off. You might see it before this video. This is for blemished skin, so it's come at a perfect time for me. Day number 4, our community fair trade partner, Tongteas Women's Association in Ghana, provide us with a shea butter and some of your treats. The shea butter is made with care and passion, using traditional methods passed down from mother to daughter for generations. And we've got here, oh, we got a body butter for very dry skin, 96-hour nourishing moisture, and there's 50 grams there. Again, their body butters are so lovely. Oh, I know it's going to go in my nail now, but look at that. It's just amazing. I just love it. It's so thick and creamy. See, I got it all in my nail. I'll just try and get it out now. There, just rub it all in. It feels so nice. It's got a very subtle scent. You could definitely feel a difference between a hand balm, which has left my skin feeling really nice and soft, but the body butter feel as if you've got a big layer of protection over your hand. More nourishing. I don't know. So there's that. Day number 5. Boost your mood by turning up the volume on your favourite Christmas songs. Feel the positive vibrations and dance like no one's watching. Okay. While in the shower or in the bath. We got a little puff. We got a little shower puffy thing here. I think I had these in last year's advent calendar, or had one, I should say. They don't last long though, but I think that's my fault because I don't really look after them. I keep forgetting to properly wash them and then they end up getting mouldy, and I really shouldn't be telling you that, should I? Anyway, day number 6. A community fair trade coconut oil is sourced from Samoa, where coconut harvesting is a family business. The coconuts are gathered, hand-cracked, pressed and filtered by locals using gentle methods and great skill to help preserve the hard-working characteristics of the oil. We've got another shower cream in coconut, and this is for dry skin. It's nutty and creamy. And we got 60 mils there. I've probably tried this before. I've tried so many products from Body Shop, but I have to sniff it. So nice. I love coconut. We've got a coconut shower cream. Day number 7. Speak up, reach out with love and reconnect with someone who may find this time of year hard. Okay. Oh, it's a soap. I know it's a soap, but I love soaps. I love packaged soaps, especially in wrapping like this. It's from the Pink Grapefruit range. This is beautiful. I continuously buy a massive shower gel in Pink Grapefruit. It smells amazing and it lingers. Oh, it's just so lovely. This is a cleansing face and body bar. Oh, it's for the face as well, for all skin types. And there's 100 grams. See, the problem with me is because I've got a little bit of obsession with soaps wrapped in paper, I don't want to open them, and I really want to show you, but I don't want to open it. I'm not going to. But then I know if I don't open it, then I might never ever use it. I've never mentioned this about my strangeness with soaps, and I'm not the only weirdo out there. I know there's a few of you that are similar to me. Day number 8. Did you know our advent calendars are created to be reused? They are perfect for stashing away your Christmas decorations and spare gift wrapping post countdown. Satsuma shower gel. This is for all skin types, zesty and refreshing. And again, 60 mils. Satsuma, orangey, zesty smell. Oh, it's so nice. I think I've had a big one of this as well. A big bottle of the shower gel. I think so. Day number 9. Did you know that for centuries African women have used shea butter to protect their skin from the dry harmattan winds that blow from the Sahara Desert? That's because shea butter contains so many powerful moisturising properties for your beautiful body. We've got shampoo. This is for dry to very dry hair prone to breakage. Yeah, mine is like that. Intensive repair, and the 60 mils. I haven't tried this one. I've tried the avocado shampoo and conditioner, and that's nice. But no, I think this would be lovely. I wonder, or not I wonder, I hope we get a conditioner in here as well, so that I can try them both together. Day number 10. Leave your tresses feeling moisturised with a healthy looking shine that'll be just as bright as your Christmas lights. Is this a conditioner? Yeah, it's the conditioner. So you've got a sheer conditioner there to go with our shampoo. And again, 60 mils. So, day number 11. Many of our partners are women living in rural areas with limited economic opportunities. Our trade helps support them and act as a force of good. And we've got a hand cream. This is British Rose for normal skin with 48-hour hydration. There's 30 mils there. And yep, you've guessed it. English Rose is the scent I do not like. That's if you've been following me for a while, that is. Yeah, I'll just put a little bit there because it's started coming out. Put it on top of the body butter. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not a scent for me. I wouldn't use that because obviously it's a lingering smell on your hands. Not to say that the hand cream is no good or anything like that. It's just me. I just don't like the smell. So I'll be passing that on. But that's the only item so far that I'll be passing on. Day number 12. Did you know that the oil from around 15,000 tea tree leaves goes into every 20ml bottle of our tea tree oil? Ooh, a facial wash. A tea tree skin clearing facial wash suitable for blemished skin. So I've got a toner and now I've got a face wash as well. Yeah, I'll be definitely using that on my chin. It's just my chin area. Hormones. Flipping hormones. Day number 13. Clean up. Collect litter at your local park or community space and then recycle as appropriate. Check socials for community litter pickups. We've got another soap. This is a cleansing face and body bar. If any of you have tried these, please let me know what you think because I haven't tried them. This is olive for all skin types. Refreshing and cleansing. I've got a few olive ones from Greece. It's a traditional soap smell, isn't it, Olive? The pink grapefruit is, amazing. This is still a nice smell, but it's quite subtle. I know I'm not going to open it. Day number 14. Did you know our pioneering global community fair trade program has been going strong since 1987? Oh my gosh, shower gel. This is the one that I buy big. What is the big one? I think it's 300 mils. This is 60 and it's pink grapefruit for all skin types. Really chuffed for that. I really like it. So if ever I go away for the night, or if, like as I said, I went to Mykonos for a couple of nights a few weeks ago, then yeah, these little handy sizes are perfect. Day number 15, our community fair trade almond milk in today's treat is sourced from Spain. We work with a cooperative of small-scale farmers who check each almond by hand to help ensure the highest quality. Did you know that almond plantations are also natural fire barriers which help protect habitats from forest fires? I never knew that. Oh my gosh. And we have got a hand balm. This is an almond milk hand balm. We've had a mango hand balm and we've had a English rose hand cream. The hand creams and the hand balms are different in that the hand balms are more nourishing. They claim to give you 96 hours of moisture, whereas the hand creams, I think they said 48 hours, I believe, something like that. But yeah, so we got an almond one there. I'm not gonna pull that one on because I've got 3 different ones already on my hand. Day number 16. Did you know that there are over 2,000 waste collectors, unsung heroes, who work tirelessly to clean up the city's streets, currently involved in our community fair trade partnership with Plastics for Change? The plastic collected goes into our 100% recyclable shower gel bottles. Okay, we've got shower gel, we've got strawberry shower gel, and there's 60 mils again. I have probably had this maybe in last year's advent calendar. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I love it. I love smelling everything. I love it. Okay, day number 17. From community fair trade aloe vera in Mexico to recycled paper gift bags and boxes from Nepal, we source ingredients and accessories from experts around the world. What's this? Oh, it's lip balm. It's a fresh plumping mask for your lips. No, it's not. It's not for your lips. Why am I thinking? Oh, because it looks like a lip balm. What is it? It's a mask. It's a mask. It's a fresh plumping mask. It's in British Rose, which I don't like, but 15 mils. It's like a gel. You might not be able to see clear in there. I got a feeling I had this in a £145 advent calendar, but because it's English Rose, did I use it once? Oh, I can't remember. Gosh, I wish my memory was better. But yeah, for a mask, you leave it on and then you wash it off, and then the smell hopefully doesn't linger, does it, normally? I'm more likely to keep this, even though it is rose. Day number 18. Tune into yourself, not the social feed. Create space in your week to put down your phone, cozy up and watch your favourite Christmas film. Oh, I like this. Look at that. Hair grip. Hair clip. I really like that. It's nice, isn't it? A beige hair clip. Day number 19. The community fair trade aloe vera in your sheet mask is sourced from Campeche or Campeche, Mexico. We work with 3 female farming communities who really know their stuff. They use their wealth of knowledge to meticulously distill aloe leaves, making sure it's the freshest quality for your fabulous face. We've got a vitamin E sheet mask. It's a quench sheet mask to hydrate, suitable for all skin types. Yeah, that's nice. We all like a bit of vitamin E on our faces. Day number 20. Spread the love. Think up a small act of kindness you can do for someone today. And we got a lip balm. This is or lip butter, I should say. This is strawberry for dry lips, intensely nourishing. I used to be obsessed with these when I was in school. I used to love them. It's so nice. It is so, so nice. You're not going to see much. I have got a few spatulas because I'm a little bit obsessed with Laneige, the lip mask, the overnight sleep lip masks. And yeah, I've got a few spatulas now, so that is quite handy. Little pots like this are really difficult if you've got nails for getting it out and spreading it. But no, I've got a few little spatulas. Day number 21, love your tribe. Invite your friends over to pamper, reconnect and relax. And we've got a shower scrub in the English Rose for normal skin, soft and smoothing exfoliation. And it's 50 mils there. I might actually put all the English Rose products together and give it to a friend who I know likes rosy smells. That's a little gift. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah. So we've got an exfoliating scrub there. Day number 22. Your hydrating hand cream is enriched with community fair trade shea butter. Did you know that we buy on average over 250 tons of shea butter each day? We've got a pink grapefruit. This is a hand cream, and so it's a little bit lighter than the hand balm, but it's in pink grapefruit. Oh my gosh. Right, which hand has the less products on? I don't know, I think this one. I can smell the pink grapefruit now. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it is the best smell. It is the best smell. I love it. Day number 23. Your shower gel bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic. From launching in 2019 until the end of 2022, we've purchased an estimated 2,000 metric tons of plastic waste from our community fair trade partners in England. And we've got a shower gel in mango, juicy and refreshing. So to go with our hand cream, no, with our hand balm it was, wasn't it? I know what it smells like, I just love smelling it. That is beautiful. Day number 24, the last item in the box. It says, be the change every day, happy Christmas. And what have we got? We got a avocado body butter for dry skin with 96-hour hydration, nourishing hydration. So good. The avocado scent is very subtle, but it just smells nice and fresh. I'm useless at describing. It smells of avocados. Not that I've ever smelt an avocado before. I can't really think what an avocado smells like, but I'm assuming it smells what these products do. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's the Advent Calendar of Change, the cheapest calendar of the three that are available this year from the Body Shop. It costs £59. If you decide to get it, use my code. I think it brings it down to what, £49, something like that. If you love the Body Shop, then this is a really nice calendar. What is missing is some makeup. I know there is makeup in the other Advent calendars. This is more like an affordable taster sort of Advent calendar, especially if you are new to the Body Shop and you fancy trying some of their products out. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself, or have you bought one of the more expensive ones? Or are you thinking, nah, not for me this year? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.